Keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Hello, my YouTube family. I hope everyone is having an awesome day. To all the ones who are new to my channel, I hope you touch that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I make a new video. For the ones who are already part of my family, welcome back. Today I am doing a product review. So I'm just going to get right on into the video. So this company reached out to me called Cinak, Cinak. And anyway, you guys, so they sent me some pictures of some shoes. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was a little hesitant at first because everyone knows that I love heels. And the shoes they sent me were all like really low heel. So I told them, I said, is this the, what's the highest heel you have? So anyway, they sent me some pics of the highest heel they had. It still wasn't high enough for me, but I decided to give it a try because I do have a lot of people that follow me that do not wear high heels. They wear lower heel shoes, and I would love to, just create different looks with these shoes just to show you guys how I would style them. I was very pleased with the shoes that I received. So anyway, of course, I went with a bold color. So I decided to pick a red pair. So I'm going to show you the shoes. These are the shoes I received. The strap is a square toe, but as you can see, they're kind of not square because a lot of times square can hurt your foot. These right here has a little bit of roundness to it also. It's square, but then it's still rounded off. I must say I was really pleased with the quality of the shoe. I love the buckle design. I thought it was really unique and pretty. And this rubber sole, as you can see, it's very soft, so they're really comfortable. I just assumed when I looked at them, like, oh my gosh, they're going to be like a hard, uncomfortable shoe. But these were pretty comfortable. And okay, I wasn't really that excited about this heel, you guys. But like I said, I do need to switch up some and show you how to style with lower heels, because like I said, a lot of people wear lower heels every day, and some people tell me that their feet or their health or whatever, they cannot wear high heels. So this was a good way for me to incorporate lower heels into my lookbooks for the people who prefer lower heels over high heels. So you guys, right here is just talking a little bit about the shoe. It's decorated with a cute buckle. Like I said, it's square toe. It's really stylish, and that's what I thought was really neat about it. It's a really stylish shoe when you put it on. I'm gonna definitely put these on and show you how I would style them with like a work week outfit, and then with like something casual like a pair of jeans. I love this bold color, but it comes in like several different colors. So the colors that it come in was pink, beige, black, and it was like a navy blue, because at first I was leaning towards navy blue. I'm thinking, oh, that would be so cute with my jeans and khakis, but I decided to go ahead with the red. And then they also had a gray. I love adding a pop of color, so it's nothing to me like a red or burgundy shoe, especially with fall and autumn coming in. So I thought this would be really cute for me to mix up, switch up, and get some different looks out of it. So like I said, I was really pleased. My mom actually fell in love with these. Now, I have not worn, oh yeah, that's the bottom of the shoe. It's kind of like it has grips on it so you won't slide. Now, I haven't worn these for a long period of time. I wore these like around the house, trying them on with different outfits and everything. Because of the simple fact, because the heel is lower, pretty much I have a high arch. So I'm pretty sure after a while they would hurt my foot, only because of, I know I'm odd. Like a higher heel is more comfortable to me because of the higher arch. Someone who regularly wears lower heel shoes, I think it would be perfect. My mom actually had a fit over these, and I was really surprised because they was a bright red color, and she's kind of more like this subtle, kind of down to earth personality. So I was thinking, wow, I should have ordered like a black or blue for her, but she was like, no, I'll wear the red. She really liked them. So I don't know, I may gift them to her because she liked them so much, and I know mama would get so much wear out of them, and this would be really comfortable for her feet because she's unable to wear heels at this point in her life. So you guys, it's a company on Amazon. Like I said, they call Cinak, and this is just a description of the shoe. Cinak women's shoes always adhere to the concept of enjoying a comfortable life, creating a comfortable and fashionable shoe. I agree with that. It is comfortable and it is fashionable and stylish. In the pursuit of comfort, we constantly integrate the pluralistic and fashionable elements to create the delicate and comfortable shoe. We have high quality shoes. Now I must admit this is a very high quality, um, very smooth kind of leather like fabric. But then it's not really hard. It's still got this, this softness to it, like this bendability to it. I think I just made up a word, bendability. Sounds kind of creative. But anyway, it's bendable, so it's not really harsh on your feet, or it doesn't feel real hard, and then it's like that all the way around. Have you ever received a shoe or bought a shoe and it was so hard and therefore it started hurting your feet a lot quicker? This right here is like a soft leather. So like I said, I really love the quality. I was very pleased with the quality of this, and I love the style of it. I love the buckle, and I overall love the shoe. If I could change anything, it would be that heel. But you guys, I did create two different looks, and the looks I think came out really, really cute and really, really stylish. So I was really pleased with that. And I'm also going to be offering a coupon code in the bottom, 25% off to anyone who wanted to purchase a pair of these shoes. Like I said, they have a variety of colors. When I look at them, I automatically think of office wear. I think this would be really comfortable for, business kind of office attire. But my mom totally said she probably wear hers to church, so I can see that too. Church, office wear. Today I matched it up with like a blazer because I thought, like, I don't know, like I said, it just yells office business to me. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys how I styled it. And I'm just going to give these shoes an overall, I guess, a 10 so far, because like I really, really like them, and I thought it was great. So I'm so glad that I decided to go ahead and accept the offer and do a review on them. So I'm going to get ready to try these on and show you guys how I style them. Okay, you guys, I definitely want to go with a blazer with these shoes for the office look. Now, the pants I have on is like a houndstooth. No, I am not an Alabama fan, but I do love black and white. So the pants actually have a black and white jacket that matches them exactly, but I didn't want to be so matchy today. So what I did was I took the black and white pants, which is, like I said, it's like a houndstooth, kind of like a smaller houndstooth print. And I paired it with a plain black high neck top. I wanted a high neck top because the top is black and the blazer is black, and I wanted a necklace to kind of really bring out the black and white, and then I wanted to add the pop of color with the shoes. So what I did was I added this little white and gold necklace I thought was really, really stylish and cute. It looks almost like a ruffle, it's a fabric material, and it looks like layers of ruffle. Super stylish and cute, and I love the fact that it has this gold chain on it. And then I wanted to add the red bracelet to kind of bring the shoes out. I thought it was overall a really cute, stylish look. So I definitely wanted to bring attention to my neckline, so I did a messy bun. I pinted my hair up in just a messy bun. Like I said, it's just messy. I love messy buns. And I thought these shoes were super cute with them. How cute are these red shoes with this black and white? So I actually love this outfit, you guys. Yes, it's flat shoes, and I actually love it. I really love the look. So I'm definitely probably going to wear this to the office at some point. And I wanted to go a little bit further and add another little piece of red. So I decided to add this red purse, which I thought it's a really shiny purse. So I thought it really brought out the shoes really good. And I didn't want to do too much red, but I wanted to pop a red. So I love it with just the bracelet and the shoes and the purse. So you guys, this first look. So this first look is definitely office, business wear, professional look. I thought, how cute is this? And then of course I added the pop of color to my lips with the bold red lipstick. So you guys, I'm really loving this. A lot. And they're not high heels, and I'm really loving this look. So I'm definitely gonna try to wear these all day, just see how it does on my feet. Maybe I'll surprise myself with it being, somewhat of a heel and it's not flat to the ground. Maybe they won't hurt my feet. second look. You guys know how much I love leopard. So I added this leopard peplum blouse. It's really flowy. The leopard print is a large print. I just kept it simple with the earrings and just did some little gold balls. And then the belt is peplum. And then I added this little, it's like a little stretchy belt with this gold band. I thought really brought out the beige nude color in the blouse. And it just kind of buttons in the back. I love peplum blouses, by the way, you guys. It really camouflages it when you're trying to, like, you know, you want the flowy look, still cute. May not want to show your stomach that they may feel a little bloated or whatever. These are like perfect for that look. Okay, and I added with some light to medium distressed jeans. They kind of got a couple of little ridges in it. Really casual look. And you guys, look how cute these shoes are with this outfit, right? So just showing you how you can wear it dressy in the first look. This look is a more casual look. The red shoes again is once again a pop of color. I left the red bracelet on. I put on some gold costume jewelry. This right here has like the little studded rhinestones around it. And I decided to keep the same purse. I mean, two totally different looks, but just as cute, right? I left my hair in the messy bun. I put on this little layered necklace. I think it looks really cute with your hair pinned up, and it really accentuates your neck, brings attention to your neck. I love this, you guys. With these kind of flowy blouses, I normally put on a belt because they bring your waist in. And with all the print going on, I kind of wanted something kind of solid in the middle to kind of separate, to kind of show that you do have like a little bit of a waistline. Well, to show that I have a little bit of a waistline. So how cute is this, right? It's a jean casual outfit. Super sporty and cute. This is really cute to, you know, when you're on the go or you're going to some type of like event, you still want to look really stylish, but you don't want to be too extra and you want to be still really comfy. Enjoyed this video, and don't forget, coupon code below. Make sure you give me a big like if you love the outfits that I style with these red Cinak shoes, and make sure if you haven't subscribed, do so now, and leave me a comment and tell me which outfit you like the best, what did you like about that outfit, and just about what you think of the whole video. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, I love you, my YouTube family.